cardboard was so soundproof. Cue the hot glue gun. We're feeling crafty. They say all the world's a stage, but we're more into cartoons. In fact, we can make you a show of your very own. You've heard of rolls of film, so get things rolling. Don't forget the bunny ears, a classic. Of course, we're gonna need things moving, so we need to start spinning things up. This is good. Ooh, you even brought popcorn. Hey, wait, aren't you supposed to be in bed? Looks like Gugu's tuckered out. Think she'll finally go to bed? Okay, we'll make you a bed. Or better yet, an igloo. And the best part is, we're using cardboard instead of ice. Authentic or not, at least it's not going to melt. In other words, a little light won't hurt. Cue the fairy lights. What? Even penguins can use a nightlight now and then. Let's add some pillows. And maybe a drink before bed. Just kidding. They're containers for more lights. Hang some up and you've got a new mobile. Just place it on top, 'cause we're all tops. Check it out, it's a home away from home. Well, actually, it's a home inside your home. But I digress. It seems fun, so why not lie back and relax? Aw, Gugu has a photo of her favorite person. Isn't it just uncanny how life imitates art? Ooh, I don't think those are beauty marks. Hey now, glasses make people look smart. Well, at least she stopped before drawing a unibrow. Seriously, those things are a pain to pluck. Well, once again, maybe some cardboard will save the day. And it looks like we're drawing a bunch of our animal friends. Just make sure to fold and laminate. Now Gugu can make art to her heart's content. She can erase and start over as much as she wants. And you don't have to worry about the makeover. Ah, nothing beats a fish tank. Why else do kids love waiting rooms? Funny, penguins are usually good swimmers. You need a towel and maybe some water wings. We need to keep you temperature controlled. But first, we need to make a stand. And by that, I mean a literal stand, not a statement. We can't forget the propeller either. They're what every fan needs, and they look great on hats. Think 3 rubber bands will be enough? Well, either way, we know how to keep things cool. And we don't have to get you dry cleaned. Wow, now that's a real cool tool! A vacuum! Oh no! Now we'll have to clean this all up! But first, we're gonna need to clean you up. Turnabout is fair play. Art had an effect on you. So I think it might work on our penguin pal too. But we're gonna need to make a little contraption. We'll need some paper and a lucky photo. Ooh, a black and white photo, which is kind of on brand for penguins. Run it through, and the world's coming up rainbows. Huntress is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntress to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think Gui Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch 'em all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Huntress is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Whoa, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntress can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. Just look at all these goodies. Spread it out. We've got dumplings, candies, and lotus root. Why don't we get the girls' lunchbox ready? Hey, look, all of this stuff is doll food, which is the perfect thing when preparing lunch for dolls. Sure, you can't actually eat any of this, but on the bright side, just imagine the shelf life. And the fun of packing them up never has to end. No matter how much it makes your mouth water. Here, girls, you've got your very own bento box. Well, you don't have to ask them twice. Bon appetit. Ooh, anyone want an after-dinner mint? Meanwhile, we've got to clean up after the concert. Don't worry, girls. We know to work smarter, not harder. We're just gonna need to whip up some labor-saving devices. That's too much work. Just one device, but a really big one. And look, it's even on brand. It's a Derpy machine. Gotta love Derpy, especially when he brings his appetite. Good kitty. Why don't you come with us? Here, step inside. Now that's our cue to make an exit. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking jack-in-the-boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up. And you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own jack. Except this Jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. Someone likes sweets. Wait till she finds out you can remove the wrappers. But you can't eat the entire bowl of candy. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow.